What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. That's Kevin over there. Just wanted to make a quick video and give you guys an update as far as what I've been doing, why I haven't been making videos, what's just been going on this past month or so. And I know it's been a little while. Last video I made, I put the front lip on the car. As you can tell, it's not there. It's over there. Yep, I've lost another lip, but that's okay. But I really just want to say that content is coming back to the channel. I got a new job right before Christmas, literally the same week as Christmas, and my schedule changed. It changed for the better. I'm working pretty much normal hours now. I'm working in the automotive industry, which is awesome. Getting to be around cars every single day, but I haven't had that much time to focus on my cars, my social media, my YouTube, just with the holidays, my birthday, going out of town on the weekends. But I do have every single weekend off now and nights, so I'll be able to bring you guys a little bit more content. We do have some projects coming to the channel. Can't really say exactly what they are, but once they're 100% locked in, we'll update you guys. We'll make some social media posts and of course make some awesome videos. So stay tuned to that. I think you guys will be really, really excited to see what that is. And of course, the FRS is not completely neglected. I still drive it every single day. Sometimes I take the Q, but mainly I drive my car every day. I've got some maintenance I've got to do on it. So one of the next videos I'll make very soon is the dreaded spark plug video. I've got spark plugs, it's time to replace them. And then just kind of some maintenance, give you guys updates. And I know I've got some things that I'm gonna order very, very soon. We've got some plans for it. Just gotta get it all dialed in, and we've got some content coming with that. But I just wanna thank every single one of you guys that have reached out to me and asked me how I've been doing or why I haven't been making videos. It means a lot to me. I've not given up on this. I'm just taking a little bit of time off. I'm gonna be right back to making these videos. Me and Kevin today, we're actually setting up the garage. Got to reorganize everything. Probably gonna try and get rid of one of these shelves. As you can see, it's just a bunch of nonsense on this shelf. Stuff that I kind of use, but also kind of don't use. So I'm gonna organize that. These are all just car parts, just stock parts and parts I don't use, all from my FRS pretty much. So I'm gonna organize those. And then Kevin has brought over a pretty sick shelf over here. I'm all stocked up thanks to him and my brother-in-law. We've got tons of Chemical Guys products. We've got our hose attachment for a foam cannon, and then my brother-in-law actually got me a Torque foam cannon as well. I've got a pressure washer literally on the way. It'll be here this week. Those are 2 bottles of meth. We'll talk about those in a little bit in a future video. Also, something really cool is FPA Productions. Going to be doing a really cool photo shoot with him very, very soon. My wife and my best friend got me that for a Christmas present, so make sure you go follow FPA Productions on Instagram. One of the best automotive photographers around. Definitely best one in Charlotte. Go give him a follow. We got content coming with that. I'll shoot that entire day. Pictures and videos and all that fun stuff coming. Anyways, photo shoots with that. 2 photo shoots, so can't really say exactly what, but he's actually set up a photo session with Mark as well, who's FBA Productions, and we're gonna have an awesome sick shoot with him too. So stay tuned for that. We've got some stuff coming. But anyways, me and Kevin are gonna completely organize this garage. I'll try and update you guys a little bit on the way, but we're gonna have some fun stuff coming in here. Gonna have a lot better of a workstation. Got new tools coming, all kinds of new stuff. Just getting ready for a great 2021. Gonna make some better videos. We're gonna grow this channel even more, and I'm looking forward to doing it with all of you guys. And last but not least, I just want to say that I'm just gonna do kind of like random little giveaways here and there, like I've been doing but kind of fell off. Right now, I have these 5 Hot Wheels. I bought myself a couple the other day, and I just got a few each. So I'm gonna do 5 separate little giveaways. I got a McLaren Senna, Koenigsegg Jesko, and then 3 McLaren Speedtails. In the next video, I'll announce the winners for this, but all you guys gotta do is head over to my Instagram and look for the post on these. Comment on there, comment on this video, subscribe to my channel, and give it a thumbs up. It's just gonna be a free, simple giveaway. I'll send you guys this, and next YouTube video I'll make sure I announce the winner, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, me and Kevin are gonna get back to knocking this garage out, and I'll update you guys when we're getting close to being done. So progress so far, it's been a couple hours. As you can see, we got the 2 giant wooden shelves out of there. We're organizing all my nonsense. Got a lot of the stuff organized over here. Now we're just gonna start hanging up some posters and some banners. Got the car wash station all organized over there. And now I'm wearing a mask because the bunny hair's getting into my lungs and I can barely breathe. All right, so we're at a pretty good stopping point, I'd say. Got all our shelves kind of organized right here. We're gonna go through and organize all the tools and all that stuff at a later day, but we got the posters hung up and they look freaking awesome. Kevin took these pictures. Follow him on Instagram at kdodson77, but also Skyrate Photography. I'll put a link in the description. He's got this sick shot of the Subaru and his Mini. And then of course my tail light up there. I don't know if you can see it, but he's got my YouTube handle on there as well. And a couple of Liquid Molly banners. Starting to look, in Kevin's words, it's starting to look more like a garage in here and not like a storage unit. Anyways, it's looking awesome. We're gonna pull my car in here and grab some pictures. And of course, we'll get all this organized eventually. And then we will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and make sure you enter in the giveaway for the Hot Wheels. Like I said, it's completely free. And I'll give you, I'm giving 5 of those away, and I'll send them out to the winner, and I'll announce the winner in the next video. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.